Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Today my vlog starts in my kitchen as I have come to cook breakfast. So today I'm going to cook chicken macaroni and then we'll discuss about the title of today's vlog, that's online shopping experience. And stay tuned with me. I have come to kitchen. Here is the recipe of chicken macaroni. Cut the chicken into small pieces and fry it in oil and take it out and keep aside. Add chopped onions to the same kadai and fry it until it turns into a light brown. 1 teaspoon green masala and mix it well. Now adding tomatoes. Added some finely chopped beans. Adding some dry masala, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, chaat masala, coriander powder and cumin powder. Now adding chicken pieces. 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, salt according to your taste. Adding macaroni and give it a nice mix. Leave it to cook for 1 minute. Finally adding chopped coriander leaves and the chicken macaroni is ready. Shayan is still sleeping. Shayan, 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 get up. How is chicken macaroni? How it looks? Yummy, right? So now I'm going to have my breakfast and Shayan is still sleeping. Shayan, get up. Okay, we'll have breakfast. Go and brush. We'll have breakfast. Isn't it, Shayan? Okay. This is our breakfast. Chicken macaroni. And this is mine. Today I'm going to tell you my online shopping experience with LimeRoad. Whether it is good or not. How is the product? Did I like the product? Actually, I ordered our Eid outfit from LimeRoad due to COVID-19 pandemic. Lockdown was there. And I also want to tell you about their service. Did I like the service or not? Let me finish my breakfast first. Hey guys, welcome back. Before I start, I want to tell you one thing, that this video is not a sponsored video. Everything I purchased at my expense, at my cost, and what I'm going to share is my personal experience. So this will be a disclaimer. Let's start with my Eid outfit. You guys have seen that in my Eid vlog, and those who are new, who haven't watched my Eid vlog, click on that I button showing on the screen and watch my Eid vlog, not now, after watching this video. Okay, so shall we start? This is my Eid outfit. This is floral kurta plazo set. Have a look. And the color is sky blue and floral print is there. and it is not transparent. I personally purchased this because of its color, sky blue, my favorite color, and this floral print. When I saw this on screen, it looks very beautiful, and the most important thing is I received this as same as shown in the picture. So I loved it. And 3/4 sleeve, and this is the palazzo. Here also same floral print is there. You guys can see that. And this is Fabrico brand. You guys can see here buttons, and overall I can say that it's very good and I loved it. Do you want to see how it looks while wearing? Have a look. Here it is on screen. See how beautiful it is. It's really beautiful, especially the color and the floral print. Now we move on to second one. Now the second one is my daughter's Eid outfit, that is ethnic wear lehenga choli with dupatta. So this is the lehenga. And here first part, this one is a netted material, and after that silk material is there, and it's really very comfortable to wear, very soft. And again one more soft cotton material is there. So overall this is very comfortable to wear, although here outer part is a netted, but inner is cotton, soft cotton and silk material is there. So it's very comfortable to wear, and my daughter liked this very much. And the most attractive part of this lehenga is its choli. See this. This is very beautiful, and the color, of course, it's suitable for kids. And see its sleeves. It's really very beautiful, balloon type. You can also see this neck design, and this one, this part is really very beautiful, and the material is also very soft, blend with silk. The material is blend with silk, very soft, and it's very beautiful and very stylish. If you guys want to see how it looks while wearing, have a look. Mashallah, it looks very pretty, and my daughter too looks very pretty in this dress. And the brand is Arika brand, girls ethnic Arika brand. You guys can see the brand, Arika brand. This one, and it comes with this dupatta. Next one, it's a straight crepe kurta. Have a look. See the length, mashallah. This is a straight kurta with 3/4 sleeves, and see the material, very beautiful, very beautiful. See its design, floral design. It has a floral design. See, it's really very beautiful, and it has buttons, front button, and the brand is Napra brand. And the most attractive part is its tassels. It comes here, its tassels, and the tassels are there here also, front part. Isn't it really beautiful? And the material is crepe and it's really very comfortable to wear, and it's very soft. It's very soft and very stylish. You want to see how it looks? Have a look. Next one is white rayon straight pant, and here it is. The material is rayon and it's a straight pant. Now it's in trend, right? And the most attractive beautiful part of this pant is this one. This I'll show you clearly. This one, this design, and it's an ankle length pant, and here also tassel is there. Here also it looks very attractive. Here you guys can see the tassel, and it looks, you can see here it's a Juniper brand, and I'm happy with this product. Here we have elastic back and front, we can adjust it with this. So overall I can say that it's very good product. I'm happy, I'm satisfied with. Next we'll move on to another one. It's also a straight kurta. Have a look. This also comes in 3/4 sleeves. Guys, check the length. You guys can get the clear picture of its length with this video. Watch it. This is my honest review about the product. I like the products, its size, color, print as shown as in the picture. That's very important, right? I am not a brand conscious. I just mention for your information. As I share everything with you, I thought of sharing this experience too. Hope you guys like it. Brand is Adika. It's really very soft, and I love this product very much. And I'll tell you the story how I got these products. That time cut the price offer was going on in LimeRoad. You have to select one, any dress, and kurta, it may be a kurta, pant, top or anything you have to select, and you have to send that link to your WhatsApp friends. They have to download that link, and after downloading they have to click on cut the price. As soon as they click cut the price, so the 20 rupees will be deducted from its actual price. So like this, if 4 or 5 members did the same thing, if they download the link and if they click the cut the price, you will get, if it is 5 members, 100 rupees will be deducted. And here I want to thank all those who downloaded the link and click the cut the price, and because of them I got this kurta for $2.99 and it's very comfortable to wear, and I love this product very much. So thank you so much to all who cut the price for me. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the LimeRoad because of this beautiful, very soft kurta. Next and the last product is jeans that I ordered for my son, and have a look. It's very, very beautiful, very beautiful. And this part makes this pant very attractive. You guys can see the material, very soft, breathable and stretchable too. And the brand is Urbano Junior brand. It's in grey color and slim fit. Okay, so it's really very beautiful, and how it looks, have a look. I want to speak about their service also. So it's about this product. Actually, I ordered him to 10 years. I ordered because my son, he's 9 years old, but he's little bit healthy, mashallah, alhamdulillah. It didn't fit to him. I quickly mailed LimeRoad that I want to replace the product because of its fitting. I got a quick reaction that I got a mail from them that they will send a person to pick that. This is their service. I want to tell about that. And one more thing, within 24 hours that this product was picked by their serviceman, and after that I got this product with proper size, with proper fitting. So thank you so much, LimeRoad. And this is my genuine, my personal experience, and truly it is not a sponsored video. Hope you guys liked today's video. See you soon in my next vlog. Until, take care, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. See you soon.